crashing. Oh my goodness. Side swipe is crazy. Side swipe to go out is crazy. He's still going? He's still going. He's still going. That shit got fucking homeless people shrimp. That shit got some shrimp on that motherfucker. Need some in a great car. No, it's mad dust flying, bro. Like, I can't believe this. Who is driving this shit? Like, I always think about like who be the drivers behind these crash outs. Cause niggas really be crashing out. Like crash out crazy, man. Crash out be crazy.